Hi students. So we were studying about the different parts of a plant. So which are the parts of a plant? Root, stem, leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. And today we can study about the stem of a plant. So we can go outside and look at a stem and we can see which all parts are present on a stem. Or we can see that the stem bears leaves, flowers, fruits, branches and all. Okay. Now we can look which are the parts that are present on a stem. So this is the stem of a plant and you can see so many small branches arise from this stem. So stem bears branches. And next you can see leaves are present on the stem. So stem bears leaves. Then you can see buds of a flower. So buds arise on a stem. Again you can see flowers on a stem. So stem bears flowers also. And here you can see some fruits are present on this stem. So stem bears fruits also. So which are the parts that are present on a stem? Branches arise on a stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and buds are present on a stem. Okay students, now we can look at the functions of a stem. So here I have a stem with me. Now you look at the color of the leaves and the stem. It's light green in color. Stem is light green in color. Leaves are also light green in color. All parts are light green in color. Now we can do one activity to find out the function of the stem. So for that I have taken some colored water here. And I am going to dip this stem into this colored water. And we can keep this setup for few hours. And after few hours, we can observe what happens. Okay, after few hours, we can look what happens to the stem. So we can take it outside from the colored water. And we can see first it was light green in color. The leaves and stem was light green in color. So this was the color. But now you look at this stem, it's light purple in color. Leaves are also purple in color. And the stem also changed its color. You can see the color change. First it was like this. And now after this keeping this stem for few hours, it changed its color into purple. Can you see the color change? Okay. So from this activity what you understand? This stem is carrying water to leaves and all other parts of the plant. We used colored water. That's why the color of the stem and leaves have changed. So this activity shows that stem carries water to all parts of a plant. Now we can cut this stem and look at whether we can see that color change. Okay, so I am going to cut this stem. Now you look inside, you can see one violet color in the middle of this stem. You can see one violet color. Here also you can see in the middle there is one violet color. So inside the stem, in the middle of the stem, there are some tubes called xylem vessels. And these tubes, in our home we know PVC pipes are carrying water. Like that, some pipe-like structures or tubes are present inside the stem for carrying water. And these tubes are called xylem vessels. So in the middle there are tube-like structures called xylem, and the xylem is conducting water to leaves and all other parts of the plant. So you can see one violet color. Now we can cut it transversely. So when we cut it longitudinally, you can see one violet line in the middle. So one pipe-like structure or tube-like structure is present in the middle of the stem, and that is xylem, and that tube is carrying water to all parts of the plant. So one important function of stem is that it conducts or carries water and minerals from root to leaves and all other parts of the plant. Okay, so what is the function of stem? It carries water and minerals from root to leaves and all other parts of the plant. And here you can see the xylem tubes are present in the middle of the stem. So from this activity we understand that stem is conducting water. So here we used colored water. So you can see the color change here in this plant. It has slight stem and leaves are slightly changed into a purple color because we dipped it in purple colored water. But here a real plant has water, light green colored stem and leaves. So you can see the color change here. This is slightly purple in color. This one is light green in color. So here we dipped this stem in purple colored water. So this when this stem carries water, it is conducting that purple colored water. So we can see that color change in this stem and leaves also. This stem was not dipped in colored water. So we can cut and look whether we can see any color change. So in the middle there is no color and we can cut it longitudinally also. So when we cut it longitudinally also, we can't see any colored line here because this stem absorbs colorless water. So we can't see any particular color change here. But when we dip it in colored water, we can see a colored line in the middle. That shows stem conducts water. Okay, my dear students. So after watching the activity, what do you understand? What is the function of stem? Stem carries water from roots to leaves. Or stem helps in the upward movement of water. Or stem carries water and minerals to leaves and all other parts of the plant. So we know the roots absorb water from the soil, and after this the water reaches the stem. Inside the stem there are xylem tubes, and through the xylem tubes water is carried upward and it moves to the branches and it will reaches all the leaves of a plant. So water is carried through the stem from roots to all parts of the plant. Okay, and you have studied in lower classes that leaves prepare food in a plant, and for preparation of food leaves need water. And who is carrying this water to the leaves? Stem carries water to the leaves. Okay, so one important function of stem is that it conducts water and minerals from root to leaves and all other parts of the plant. Or stem helps in the upward movement of water. Clear now? Okay. So what are the functions of a stem? Stem gives strength to the plant. Stem bears fruits, flowers, leaves, buds and branches. And what is the other function of stem? Stem helps in the upward movement of water and minerals, or it carries water and minerals from roots to leaves and all other parts of the plant. Clear now? Okay, bye.